Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find your comment on YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay,
Most people use
And-
ChatGPT the wrong way. Here's how the smart ones get ahead. To the people over 40 who don't know how to use AI,
okay, comment. Send comment
राज शर्मा आपकी गाड़ी में
and try another person. Okay, send comment. Okay, check. Tap on your profile and click on settings. Then tap on manage all history. Just wait and find your comment history. Tap on introduction and click on comments and replace. Just click and show your all comments videos. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.